let's say you have a set S. We'll start with a tuple T3, which is 1, 2, 3. And then let's have a list L3, which for some difference, I will use strings. Let me see. Okay. Cool. Now I have these two.
By the way, tuples can also have strings, right? I'm just asking.
Have strings, yes.
Okay.
Now I created another tuple T4, and then I will add 1, 2, L3. Okay, this is also valid. Now, if I do T3, it's 1, 2, 3. If I do T4, it's 1, 2, and ABC. Now, all of this is well and good until I create a set S which has T3 alone. No problem. Absolutely nothing. But the moment I create a set S1 and then I say T3, T or just T4, it will have a problem saying unhashable type list. Right? Now why is that happening? Why is that happening? What is a property? Sorry, go ahead.
Set is using the cache algorithm, yeah?
Sorry?
Hash algorithm.
Hash algorithm, yes.
Yeah.
Set
That's
is,
what we are getting.
sorry?
That's what we are getting error now.
Right. But why is it hashing?
So is it because
So,
it contains unique items and list cannot be like thought as one? I'm not sure if I'm going in that direction.
You are going in the right direction. Since set is a unique, is a data structure that stores unique item, how does it know whether an item is unique or not? Is by comparing it. And anytime you want to compare two items, you have something called as underscore hash function inside. So especially when you're creating set, what it does is it goes through every element and writes this hash on top of it. So if you do hash of 1, you will get some value. If you do hash of 2, you will get some value because those are the methods that's returned for that data structure. But
Mm.
this data structure keeps changing once in a while. So you can, what does that mean? So T4 has L3 as 0, 1, 2th element. So T4 of 2 is your list. And to this list, I cannot change a tuple, but I can change a list that's a part of a tuple, which is a very weird thing, but it works. Now, if I do T4 of 2, suddenly this value has changed. So since because of this property, list is not hashable. And when you do hash of L1, it's going to say, sorry, is it L3? Yeah. When you do this, it says unhashable type list. And this is the unhashable type list that you're getting here. So what happens? Set knows it's a tuple. If it's a tuple, it has to go through each element and verify whether it's a hashable one or not. So if you just do, rather than this, if you just do L3, then also it will error saying it's an unhashable type list, but this is different than using T4, which has a list. So every time it's a collection, it has to go through each and every item in there and verify that it's a tuple, that it's a proper hashable element. Now this holds true for dictionaries also. When you create a dictionary, you can create a dictionary where the key value is a tuple. T3 is a valid hashable tuple, which means you can create a dictionary out of it and then it will not scream anything. Where the moment you create a dictionary with T4, which has an unhashable element, it will start screaming at you saying it has an unhashable item, right? So
Okay,